When it comes to how to behave in public, you do see Meghan breaking the rules. She's a lot more hands-on than most members of the royal family. You know, she'll go and shake hands. We've seen her hugging small children. It's not necessarily the royal way of doing things, but it's Meghan's way of doing things. One of the chapters in my book is called Operation Princess, and it's all about Meghan getting to grips with royal protocol. She's adjusting very well, but there's been a lot going on behind the scenes to help her. From an early start, she had a hotline to Prince Harry's press office, giving her advice on how to handle the paparazzi, how to handle media requests, how to conduct herself in interviews. There's been a lot of protocol training as well, and etiquette training. You know, Meghan is going to need to know how to conduct herself when she meets visiting dignitaries and VIPs from overseas. This is all going to be a part of her future role. And then there's, you know, hostile training that she's had to go through. She needs to know how to potentially react if there was to ever be a possible kidnap scenario or a hostage-taking scenario. All of these things she's had to get to grips with. She's been learning very, very quickly.